Hello, we Web Gurukul IT Solutions, we offer a full range of digital marketing services. Like as this is one of the website created by us known as Samaj Vikas Sanstha. This is basically a non-profit NGO. They are working for poor and unprivileged people. In this homepage, you can see their images, how all they work, what are their social works in Mumbai, then child education plans also you can see it here, and who are all their supporters. This is the supporters, and what are their main goals, for what purpose they are working, and about their locations. Like this is in Umarga, Usmanabad. You can see it here. Like there are also their profile page, their projects, and what are their social achievements and focus areas. All this is in this home page. And also we have a button called as gallery. In this you can see through the images what all work they have done, how they work for the poor people and all, and also it consists of some videos so that you can enhance through it how they work and all. Like here are the videos. Here you can see what all work they have done, how they help during the coronavirus. There are short videos, and distributing daily needs to women, how all they are helping women. Here you can see all this. Then their annual report, like as from 2016 to 17, what all work they have done, we have reported it. Like here you can view the report and see what all work they have done in 2019 to 20, like this in 17 to 18, 18 to 19. Like this is the annual report button. And about their new project you can see it in here, like as their upcoming projects and all, you can get the information here. Like their projects were like solve drinking problems, agriculture technology, water source protections. These are all their projects. You can get to know about it here. And this is the donation page. If a person wants to donate to this NGO, he can go directly into this page and he can submit his details here and add any messages or messages to it, so that it will be submitted within the seconds. And also there is a contact page so that you can contact directly to the NGO. All these details are given in these buttons. You can go through it. Like we all know that because of technology, everyone wants their business to be promoted online, because online presence is very necessary for the growth of business. Like we work like this. Thank you.